Tourism Solidarity Aid to Rebuild. After having received the financial aid from the benevolent donors for the construction of the small house, we will proceed as follows. First step, we will choose a beneficiary to receive a house under these criteria. Among the villagers, the beneficiary must be the most needy. Ownership of the land may become a beneficiary unless they are in great need. Second step, we will take photographs of the beneficiaries and their family members, and also the hut in which they live will be demolished and send these photographs to the relevant donors. Third step, we establishes an agreement of the donation between the leader of the village and the beneficiary, arrange with the builder who also lives in this village to build the house for the beneficiary in question, purchases material necessary with the builder for this establishment, supervises this construction, makes a signboard of the donation which lists all the names of the donors. Fourth step, we and the leader of the village organized a welcoming festivity to inaugurate the house by welcoming the donors by all the members of the village, allowing the donors to visit the village, inaugurating the signboard of the donation that is displayed on the house, unforgettable souvenirs. Project by John Fernandez.